Hello everyone, welcome to my page. This is my first time to do this and I am sorry because I'm not good at editing as well. So for today, I'm going to share to you what I ordered from Lazada. I purchased their Crystal Nightlight Air Humidifier 4 days ago that was during their 7th anniversary promo, and I received this just this morning and paid around 450 pesos. That already includes the shipping fee. Please enjoy, and I will be back 2 weeks from now to share my final thoughts. I will start using this tonight. And also, by the way, this is very small and it's just good for small room use. Ciao!